What's going on, guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this $150 wide-angle lens. Alright, so as you know, I recently just bought this a6300 and all I have is full frame lenses, so I needed to buy a aps-c lens, and I stumbled along the Meike 12mm 2.8 manual lens, and I decided to buy it as the first lens. I bought this new on Amazon for $160. I'm not sure what the price is now, but I found it on eBay for lower than $150. I found it for $105. One thing was selling it for, but that was used. So let's get into the specs of this lens. So obviously the aperture is f2.8, so it's a pretty nice low light lens, and it's wide, and you guys know how much I love wide angle lenses. They're my favorite thing in photography pretty much. I pretty much exclusively use wide angle lenses almost. It's all metal, which is really nice. I dropped this the other day. Here's the clip. How about this? We're chilling, and it didn't break, not a single scratch or anything. For $160, you can't expect like G Master lens quality or sharpness, but for this price, it's really sharp. There is a fair amount of warping around the edges, but that's expected with any wide angle lens, or this wide of angle. In the box, it comes with a lens hood, lens cap, and a adapter cap. So yeah, overall I really like this lens. It's super cheap, super affordable. You know me, I say this every time I make a video about gear pretty much, but I'm a budget filmmaker, and this is extremely budget if you need a cheap lens. The focus ring is all manual. I haven't had any problems with that. I have memorized pretty much the focus lengths. So if I'm vlogging, I go to 0.5, and pretty much everything else I go to from 1 to infinity. Obviously with Sony's, I keep focus peaking on just so I can make sure that when I'm in focus and when I'm not. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's just a quick little video about this lens, the Meike 12mm 2.8. Really great for the price, really cheap, just a really great lens for beginning aps-c wide angle. Yeah, that's it. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was helpful. Check out some of our other content, and I will see you tomorrow.
At a Clippers game on the court side, watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home, Roger.